Not much of a Friday weather-wise. And yet tomorrow, first day of winter, right? And well, look at the temperatures we're talking about outside right now. I mean, for this hour of the day, it's mild. It's foggy. There's some light rain, but it's 47 degrees. That's the high temperature of the day. Tomorrow, we talked about this earlier. We're going to be all the way up to 60 degrees, bouts of heavy rain, gusty winds as well. The rain currently, that light green and the darker green, that's pretty light rain. That's what we have. But you'll see flashes of yellows and even some reds out there. There will be some breaks here and there. But the storm, okay, we're only in the top 25% of it. Has 75% of it to go. There's going to be quite a bit of rain. The European is projecting anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain. This particular model run, which is the most recent, is putting 2.9 down in New York City. Think about it, gang. If it was cold enough, that would be 29 inches of snow. Is that Mo or KJ who wooed over it? It was KJ, all right. Yeah, it's not. This is all rain. It's just way too warm of a setup out there. Now, the winds are blowing. 6 a.m., 40s, 50s, maybe up around a 60-degree wind. They're all coming in from the southeast, and they stay that way throughout the day. That southeasterly wind. Here you are, 7 p.m. Now they're down a bit, but still, that's blustery out there. Teens and 20s, maybe, a couple of folks still in the 30-mile-per-hour gust range at that point in time. But always coming in off the water from the southeast. So coastal areas, you have coastal flood warnings and advisories out there. Anyone with a coast has to be concerned about the water being possibly 2 to 3 feet above dry land at its highest mark. I think the toughest high tide cycle is going to be tomorrow during the morning high tide cycle. So the Futurecast is showing us bouts of heavy rain here at 3:30 in the morning. Watch how this is relentless. This is 3:30. This is 7 a.m., another bout. This is 10:30 a.m., another bout. And now you're seeing those flashes of red. That's the real heavy rain. And look at this, 1:30. It never really gives up. Yes, there will be a break, okay? But then you get another round that comes right through. And that's right through the first part of your day. By 6 p.m., now you're into a true break. A little bit of activity here on the back side of it. But watch how it doesn't really materialize. The temperatures are going to start dropping. Maybe you could find a snowflake, but it's about as close as it gets. It just doesn't look like it happens. That's Saturday, 3:30 in the morning. And after that, I think you're pretty much done. Now, what happens as we look ahead? Here we go. Saturday starts to clear as you get into the day. And then if you look way out to like Monday, Christmas Eve, we've been watching this one quite a while. This is Christmas Eve day, early in the morning. This is 3:30 a.m. But now the rain snow line with a very, very weak little clipper is right around the New York City area. I'm telling you, this would be, if it came in, it would put a few flakes down in and out. But possibly some areas could see that 1-inch range or so. Really early projections. That would be Christmas Eve early in the morning, but it's a fast mover. So the numbers look like this. 60, mild for the first day of winter tomorrow, and it's just it's a terrible day. I mean, I don't want to mince my words. Lousy day out there. 49 degrees on Saturday. Second half will be better. The clearing skies will start to sort of break through, and then on Sunday you're 43. Kind of breezy out there, but nothing like the winds we could see tomorrow. 40 degrees for your high temperature on Monday, and of course that's your Christmas Eve. We watch those morning flakes as a possibility out there. But the other thing we talk about, okay, delays at the airports, yes, but if you do get on your flight and you're taking off, with the winds that are buffeting out there, that's a bumpy ride. That's a bumpy ride, gang.
It's going to be a slow day.
It is going to be a slow day. It'll be a little bit better on Saturday, for I know a lot of folks travel that day as well. A little bit better that day.